If you think an electric car has to have a Tesla badge for you to cover long distances and be practical, then you have to think again, because Hyundai has come to change that narrative. This is the Hyundai Kona Electric, and it's an all-electric SUV and is assembled here in Nigeria. And today, I'm going to review this car. I'm going to show you how practical it is and show you every other thing that you would like to know. But before we get to that, YouTube tells me 82% of my people watching my videos are not subscribed. Why? Go subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. So let's get to the review right now. The Kona has a powerful and efficient drivetrain and a bold SUV styling. But you know, that would be like one of the least things people will consider before buying an electric SUV, people like Nigerians. So the main thing they'll consider is battery life. How far can my battery go? So let me tell you about the battery. This battery is laid under the car. It will improve center of gravity and make the car be really steady on the floor, but that's not what we're talking about now. So this is a 64 kilowatt hour battery, and it can take you 415 kilometers on a full drive. If you charge this car to 100%, 415 kilometers, and 415 kilometers is like driving from here to Asaba. Imagine you're going to see your family for the holidays, for Christmas or something. You charge this car to 100% and you drive that far. Although some other things might be put into consideration, like the temperature, the driving mode, or something like that. But this car is really practical. 415 kilometers on this small electric vehicle. That's not a Tesla. Mind-blowing. Right here at the front, you have a cool looking daytime running lights, and you see how thin they are. It reminds me of Chinese people, like when their eyes are like a little bit closed and like chen chong, chen chong. So let's get back to the review. Here you have the headlights. Down here you don't get a fog lights. And one cool thing I like is this. This is where they put the charging ports. You would never guess it's here, because other electric vehicles will put their charging ports by the side of the car, but this is where Hyundai decided to put the charging ports. And let's talk about charging. So there are two chargers right in the booth. One of them is a 3-pin charger and the other one is a level 2 charger. So if you charge on a 7 kilowatt charger, it will take 9 hours 30 minutes to boost this battery to a full charge. But if you charge on a 50 kilowatt charger, it will take 1 hour 15 minutes, that's 75 minutes. But if you not charge on a supercharger, it will take less than an hour to get this battery from 0 to 80. I said 0 to 80 because charging the remaining 20% will take longer. So when you charge this up, you give you a 415 kilometer drive, and this car can take you from 0 to 60 in 7.1 seconds. Instantaneous speed. Cool. On the wheels, you get our 17-inch aerodynamic alloy rims here, alloy, and you also have plastic here, and it looks really, really stylish and also functional, and it improves the efficiency of your drive. On the body, you have a 3-tone coloring. You have black up here on the roof, you have a bright orange on the body of the car, and you also have grey plastic fenders and bumpers that look really good. Coming to the back, you have a spoiler, really cool looking spoiler in gloss black. You have a reverse camera down here, and you have this electric, because it's an electric vehicle, zero emissions, friendly to the environment. Hopping into this car, the first thing you'll notice are these leather seats. You can see it has a lot of bolstering around that will hold you in place. So let me know. It just fits. I like the steering wheel, all wrapped in leather. You get an 8-inch infotainment screen. You see the air vents here covered in gloss. You have a dual zone automatic climate controls. Under here you have a wireless charging pad with a USB ports and an aux port right here. You also have some buttons here, so you control the AC, the climate, and the vents. Down here, you don't get the traditional gear selectors. These are in buttons. Just click back, click neutral, drive, and reverse. You get 2 cup holders here. You have space here for your load, and okay, you don't get a fridge, so just space for your stuffs. You have here for coins. You have a button here to change drive modes: Eco, Normal, Sports, and Eco Plus. So in Eco Plus, it will give you the most out of your battery, but it will have to put off the AC for you. I doubt you're going to choose that mode to drive here in Nigeria because of how our weather is. Okay, you also have the electronic parking brake right here. Looking at this, let me close this up. It feels good to sit in with nice ride height. I can see everything clearly. Headroom. visors, everything in place. You have buttons here. This one is this button on this side is for cruise control, and the buttons on this side to control the audio of your audio system, your radio or your music that's playing. Then you have a kind of digital screen for your gauge clusters right here. Then you also get one thing that's really funny. Take a look. Paddle shifters. And then you ask, paddle shifters in an electric vehicle, why? So let me tell you what these paddle shifters are for. These paddle shifters are to control the effectiveness of your regenerative braking. So there's one thing this car can do. This car doesn't have one pedal driving, but if I remove my leg from the accelerator when driving, it will come to a stop. So I can choose to let the car stop at which way I want it to. So if I increase the regenerative braking right here, the car will come to an instant stop when I remove my leg from the pedal. So that's automatically like one pedal braking. But if I reduce it and I remove my leg from the accelerator, it's just slow down and keep coasting until it comes to a stop. And one other thing this car can do is when you're driving and you like remove your leg from the pedals, you can hold the left one down and your car will come to stop. So it sounds like handbrake. You know the handbrake in bicycles or Okada. Just hold it down and your car will come to a stop. I think that comes in really handy. So the build and the feel of everything here is, okay, this is soft touch and this is like hard plastic, scratchy plastic. Everything's screwed in together. You have space down here with 2 charging ports. You also have good feeling handles, and all the buttons feel rigid, so I think the build quality is just fine. Armrest is padded. This is also padded. I like the color of the interior, the black. Oh no, this is grey, a grey interior. So let's hop onto the back. Let me show you how the back is. Let's go. Okay. So how do I say this? I think it's kind of tight. Okay, I sat comfortably right here, but now I kind of have this little knee room, but the headroom is still fine. I'm like 5'11", yes, and I think I'm comfortable here. So let me bring in my friend. My friend is above 6 feet, so I'm going to switch the camera now. Let me know how comfortable this seat is for someone that's above 6 feet. So this is my friend. I don't know how comfortable he is here. So how tall are you?
6'3".
6'3".
Yeah.
Okay. So how's the knee room?
No space at all. Like I'm even tired. I'm not comfortable yet.
So how about headroom?
Yeah, it's okay. Like it's okay, I think.
It's okay. So how comfortable are the seats?
Very comfortable. Like very comfortable. I don't want to come down.
So if you're above 6 feet, you might struggle at the back of this car. People are too tall, say 6 feet, too tall. So 5'11", and I sit comfortably in the car. But when it comes to the comfortability of the seat, how comfortable the seats are, I can guarantee you that. So what about pricing? So this is a 2020 Hyundai Kona Electric. And thank you Hyundai Nigeria for allowing me to review this car. So if you want to purchase your Hyundai cars right here in Lagos, you can just come out to the showroom. They have sale of new and the latest Hyundai vehicles parked all here in their showroom. Let's take a look. See this beautiful Sonata right here. So if you want to purchase a Hyundai car, the latest cars for the matter, come down here, Victoria Island. So this car costs a whopping 24 million naira only. 24 million naira for an all-electric SUV 2020. It's worth it, man. It's totally worth it. So the Kona is a front-wheel drive car with a lot of very fun tech features like rain sensing wipers. You also get a camera down in the grille and up in the rear mirror that helps with forward collision avoidance assist and pedestrian detection. You also get driver attention warning, and you get a 100,000-mile warranty for the next 5 years. Pretty impressive, right? So what do you think about this car? Drop a comment down below. And if we were to rate this car on a 10, on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you give it? Drop a comment down below also. Smash that like button. Man, subscribe to this channel. If I was to rate this car over 10, I'll give it an 8. But the white color of this car even looks better. I'm going to show you on the screen right now. Take a look. The white looks better, but this orange color still works. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't get to miss any car content, any car reviews. Subscribe, follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Facebook. I'm on all social media platforms. And I'll see you next week. So I'm going to review this car and I'm going to tell you Show me now. Show me now. We did talk. Subscribe to my channel. So let's get to the review right now. How was that? Raj, this. Start again. You can charge for around 24 hours for you to get a full battery. Then you do it. Do it. I don't. You also get. I don't forget what I'm talking. Okay, camera. Oh shit. Let's go again. Subscribe to this channel. Click on the subscribe button. Why did she come? Why did she come?